Hi, now we are at Exabeam, and today we're gonna take a look at what Exabeam bring to City Conference 2018. And today with our special guest, Garrett Cox. He is the Vice President of Sales Asia Pacific and Japan of Exabeam. Hi, Garrett Cox.
How are you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah. So, would you like to show us the products of what Exabeam have today?
Yeah, definitely. What I'd like to do is just give you a little bit of background about Exabeam and what we're doing and where we're going. Exabeam is a fairly new company. We've been around for around 5 years. In the last couple months, we actually just took another round of funding where we've increased our privately owned funding up to 118 million, and we've added a new VP of Engineering and a CFO, and this is our goal, is our focus to move to an IPO in 2020. When we first came to market around 4 years ago, we were helping legacy customers with security operations, providing intelligence into the security operations platform. So we started off really as a SIEM helper where we're providing user behavior analytics. And in the last 12 to 18 months, we've actually pivoted and we're looking at a next generation SIEM platform where we do the logging analysis, user behavior analytics, and automation and orchestration today. So if you look at our sales, our customer base today is a mix between augmentation and replacement, but the main goal of Exabeam is to try to provide intelligence into security operations and go through some pain points. So when we talk about the product, there's a number of different business challenges what people face today. In a security operations environment, what they do is they collect logs from multiple different sources. They try to centralize that information into a common platform, and then they look at a number of alerts that are coming through to see if they're actual security alerts or if there's false positives. They gather evidence, build a timeline, and then they try to respond to attacks. Some of the main challenges what you have with legacy SIEM platforms today, like Splunk and ArcSight and others, is that the more information what you actually put into the logging platform, the more it costs. For example, one of my customers in Australia bought Symantec's CASB. They put the logs into the platform. It cost them $1.5 million. Right? So more use cases today need more logging, and there's a lot more cost involved in that. The other main issue what you find today is that correlation rules are legacy rules where you look at known attacks. But for unknown attacks where you take compromised accounts, take people's information or insider threats, these unknown attacks do not work with correlation rules. And then finally, looking at the number of screens what you have in a security operations environment, you could have around 15 to 16, and it's hard to see all those alerts together. Then you do manual investigation and manual response. What Exabeam does is that we do unlimited logging at a flat price. We also do our behavior analytics and user behavior analytics. We do track lateral movement within your organization, and then we automate the timelines in response and automate the response for security operations. So it's a new way of thinking that. Exabeam is also investing back into our business. We're investing into QA, investing into further development and customer success. And this has actually really helped us out with the Gartner peer review. So Gartner peer review came out in October this year, and Exabeam was rated the number one vendor. Number one vendor. We're looking at overall rating, willingness to recommend, product capabilities, and also looking at integration, deployment, and service and support. So our platform is very simple. We collect the information through our data lake and cloud connectors. We detect through our advanced analytics, entity analytics, and threat hunting, and then we look at incident response and case management.